my friends. It is Troy with the Reichert Mortgage Team, your loan guy. I'm back. Sorry, it's been a minute since I've done one of these videos, but I really appreciate your patience, and we're going to be getting back on the regular with these and some other really good information as we move along. So we have this mortgage market moment here for you. We're going to get started right away on this thing. Remember, couple of things that we'd like to talk about. Please do me a favor. If you like this content, go ahead and hit like. If you think that this content is good, please share it with somebody that might have some value for them, and subscribe to the channel. We would love for you to do that. We are indeed going to be ramping up these videos, at least doing 3 a week for you. Someone's going to be community stuff, someone's going to be mortgage stuff. So we want to make sure that we're providing really good value for you out there. Now, remember, these are just a few scenarios. We talk about the big 3 here. We talk about conventional, VA, and FHA loans. So there are many other different types of loan programs that might fit you and your unique needs. We are indeed a broker, and we have the availability of a lot of these different loan types. So let's have that conversation and figure out which ones are best for you. Remember, interest rates change daily and sometimes even multiple times a day. So we are time stamping this as of 10:30 Mountain Standard Time on the 30th of April. Let's get started here. Now, our scenario is as such. We're talking about a $450,000 purchase price, okay? Primary residence, and we're going to be talking about, again, the VA conventional and FHA loans. For a VA loan, 660 credit score and above. Interest rate today, 6.625 with an APR in the range of 6.677 to 6.996. Again, VA funding fee always, if it's getting financed into the loan, affects your APR. Now, estimated monthly payments there are $32.31 and change to $33.26 and change. Again, financing that VA funding fee is going to change your loan amount, which changes your monthly payment, okay? So conventional loan, 740 credit score, 10% down, 7.625, 30-year fixed with an APR of 7.820. 3277 change is that estimated monthly payment. FHA 660 credit score, just like VA, 3.5% down is the minimum for FHA, 6.625% on that interest rate with a 7.398 APR, annual percentage rate. 3377 is that estimated monthly payment. We do, on all of these estimates, fold in $175 a month each for property taxes and homeowners insurance. Wanted to put that out there as well. We are putting the whole estimate in there, the whole all-in estimate. Now, what's going on with interest rates compared to last week? Well, they are indeed a little bit higher than they were last week. Why is that? Well, there's some information that's coming out in the economic world, specifically core PCE, which is really kind of what's going on with the costs of goods and services, but they strip out some of the more volatile stuff like food and gas, okay? So it really gives a little bit more stable approach to what's going on for the costs of goods and services, and that's a little bit sticky right now. The economic indicators previously thought that we would start seeing this come down a little bit more frequently, but it's again a little bit stickier than the Federal Reserve was really looking for. So they're kind of getting an idea, maybe we don't change those interest rates in a downward projection until later in the year. We don't know yet. The Fed is indeed meeting today, and we're going to get some information out tomorrow as far as what's going on with the Fed rate. So hopefully we'll get some good news there. We just don't know yet. Also, unemployment has been a little sticky. It's been lower unemployment than what they were thinking was going to happen. But again, we like people having jobs, but from an economic standpoint, there is actually a floor that the Federal Reserve is looking for, and it's below that floor right now. Now, you want to know more? Please do me a favor. Our contact information is indeed right below here. Please give us a call, text us, email us. We can work on your unique situation anytime. Evenings and weekends are also available. I'm Troy, your loan guy with the Reichert Mortgage Team. Looking forward to hearing from you. Take care.